My name is Ray Ohara, a Japanese wildlife photographer. Can I sit? Today I will do a slideshow titled A Message from Sea Ice, Harpshield Pups and the Global Warming. Yes. This tiny yellow one is a newborn harpshield baby, just 1 day old. The color of yellow was coming from mother's, in Japanese, yosui, amniotic fluid. Then the yellow color will go on 1 day or 2 days crawling on the snow. The another yellow one is not seal, it's me. Now I'm doing a wildlife photographer like this, but before I was not a wildlife photographer, I was a news photographer before. This is a picture 20 years ago, 1992. I was in Somalia, Africa. I was making a photo story of Somali refugee camp. And that time I made a story of Tiananmen Square in Beijing, 1989, Tiananmen Jigen. And also in Gulf War time, I was in Jerusalem, Israel, and waiting the Scud missile from Iraq. And 1992, I was in Somalia. Somalia baby. Through those kind of work, I tired to taking a picture of a human, and because the boy feels sad, I also feel sad, and the people who watch my picture also sad. Through my picture, everybody sad. So I was looking for something else to take picture. Then I went to Canada and I met this one, baby harpshield. First time I went there also as a tourist. I was a professional photographer, so I brought the camera, but the feeling is just a tourist. When I went on the ice to find the baby, I remember the feeling of how exciting taking a picture if I taking a picture by emotional. News work, we had something reason to take the picture, like we need a hunger kid or something. But to take the picture of nature, I don't need any reason. Just beautiful or just cute, that's enough. Then the picture, I sent those pictures to Japanese woman magazine, Claire, and they used 6 pages photo story. Then the day they published the magazine, I was in subway of Tokyo downtown, and one lady is watching this picture quite a long time, like 5 minutes or something. Then at last, she cuts the picture by using a scale and keeps the photo in her notebook. During my news photographer time, when I took some scoop picture also, and many people were watching my picture on in the train, but usually just 4 seconds, 5 seconds. But this picture was wrong, different. She was looking at this picture more than 5 minutes and keep the photo in her notebook. So I found there is a picture people want to keep. So if I like to take the picture like that, people want to keep. Then I start to taking wildlife like this. Harpshield baby also. And as a wildlife photographer, I did a story of polar bear cubs, and some Japanese textbook of 1年生 first grade of junior high school are using this picture in their textbook. And manatee in Florida, and prairie dog in prairie of North America. And recently, I was making a story of firefly in Japan, hotaru, firefly in Japan. Those are my main works of my wildlife photography. Sea ice, drift ice, in Japanese, yuhyou. We have two types of sea ice. One is Arctic ice, it's frozen all the year. And next one is drift ice. Drift ice froze winter, then melt in spring. But on the sea ice, we can see quite a large view, like 360-degree horizontal line. We can see the largest view on the Earth. On the ice, Habushi baby was born the end of February. This is just after newborn. Baby and mother smell each other after the birth because they couldn't see well through the eye. Their eye is fit for under the water, so on the water they cannot see well. So they use smelling to identify each other. So it means this baby, if I lay down on the ice like this, baby mistook I'm the mother. So sometimes baby mistook to come to me to smell because she cannot understand the difference through the eye. So baby is coming to me. Yes, baby is coming to me and sniff, sniff. Then after that, because of the breath, the camera got fog. So still sniff, sniff, sniff. After that, no, it's not the smell of mother. I can smell old kareishu. So so baby will go. So the day of baby, just scrolling, rolling over the on the ice, sleeping on the ice. And kissing with mother. Nothing. They got quite fast growing up. Each day they got the weight 2 kilo per day. At first they were around 90 centimeter and 10 kilogram, but next day 12 kilo, 14 kilo, 16 kilo, 18 kilo, 20 kilo. After 5 days, they got twice. After 10 days, they got 3 times heavier than the birth. After nothing, baby will go to sleep. Baby and mother only stay 2 weeks, just only 2 weeks. Because each day mother lost 3 to 5 kilo per day because mother will not eat anything because ice is moving ice is moving by the wave. So if a mother want to go to the water to catch the fish, the ice of baby will go. So mother cannot swim long, so just only under the baby, so she cannot catch the fish. So the 2 weeks is only limit can take care of the baby. So baby grow up on the large ice pan like this. After 10 days old, baby start to practice of swimming. At first, she don't like to swim because she's scared of the water. So she like to stay the middle of the ice, but because of mother try to swim, baby want to come to close to mother. Then if mother go dive to the water, baby try to watch the baby, mother. Then usually slip and fall down to the water. Then baby do like this. Mother come up soon. Then she will teach swimming, especially breath, how to breath. Sometimes mother push up baby's face to above the water, and mother keep her face above the water. So baby like to see her mother's face. She also keep her face above the water. Then baby knows how to breathe and how to watch around the ice. After the practice of swimming, stay with mother and get nothing from mother, then sunset. But after 2 weeks, mother will leave from the baby. The group of male will come to the place of mother and the baby, then call to female, it's a time to go back to north. Then female will join to the group of male one by one, then leave from the baby. Only baby are left on the ice like this. So the day baby will cry all over the day, but the mother will not come back again. Next day, the baby will not cry because she find mother will not come back. But if there is something to move, baby want to go close, oh, it's another baby, like this. So baby can get close each other. It's a time they need to think about how we can survive right now. But the ice will protect the baby. Only ice, they don't have polar bear, and also they don't have shark. Polar bear will eat the baby half shell, but that time drift ice is new ice. They don't have a polar bear now. So the ice is very safety place for baby half shell. But at the first time, ice is quite large, but in the spring, the ice is getting smaller and smaller, melting, like this. So the baby need to the baby need to swim to the large ice pan from small ice pan. It looks, the nature, the ice is telling to the baby, you need to swim, you need to swim. Even after the mother gone, the ice will teach how to swim to the baby. That time, they start the molting. The young white fur will gone, then short black fur is coming up. It's a time of just after 2 weeks with mother. She got quite big fat, and in first 2 weeks with mother's milk. Then after mother gone, start molting. 2 weeks later, 4 weeks from the birth, all white fur will gone, and now she can swim very well. She can dive. She can catch a fish now. So I mean, Hampshire baby needs 4 weeks to survive by herself. That time, we will have a large open water like this. Then baby will start to going to north, following the mother and father. I was taking a picture of Hampshire baby and ice more than 20 years. Now this is 23rd year. It's rare wildlife photographer shoots a baby, shoots one kind of animal like such long years, because better to go to take the different animals, because it's good for my business. But I'm different. I was not the person who want to be a wildlife photographer. I just quit the news photographer. So Hampshire baby is object that I got the chance to change my photography. So I just wanting to stay with Hampshire baby long. Then spend 5 years, 10 years, then got 23 years. Through those 20 years, I saw the difference of the drift ice. This is a picture of 2002. We can see no place to walk on the ice. Hampshire baby were born like such broken ice. This is a picture of 2002. The baby is just newborn. We can see the hesono, how can I say in English, the coat of the. So it means just 1 day old, but the ice is just broken. This year, Canadian government report maybe 75% of Hampshire baby were died because of the poor ice condition. I said they need 4 weeks on the ice, but that time, after 10 days to 14 days, all ice were melted, all ice were gone. It's not enough to survive the baby. So, it's the ice of 20 years ago. We can walk everywhere on the ice. It's the ice. And you can see some black spot. Those are seal. It's the ice. Seal mother come to birth. 15 years past, ice was like this, 2007. You can see also black spot, also seal mother. Now, seal mother only can choose this kind of ice to birth the baby. 20 years ago, 5 years ago, big difference. So, it's a picture I took 2007. This year also Canadian government report 200,000 baby may die because of the poor ice. So the ice was gone around 14 days. How shall we do? I often do a slideshow in Japanese school. Then I often ask the school kids, how can we stop the global warming? Then they will answer, yes, I will use eco bag to stop the global warming. Another girl, yes, I don't use Japanese waribashi. Then I prefer my chopstick. And if we do those answers well, do you think can we stop the global warming? Only 2% or 3% school kids answered yes. And I asked you again, can we stop the global warming if we do like this? But most of you answered no, so it means the answer was wrong. Sense of like is much important than the sense of echo. We can because we can think about something we like, and we can change our life for something we like. So that's why I think most important the sense of I like it. The sense of like is very strong, and the sense of like can change the world. So that's a message from CIs.